Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Radikal Kitchen. Now when I was growing up, when I was a little girl, I spent a lot of time with my nani, my mother's mother, my grandmother. She was an excellent cook. My nani came from Mangalore, which is in the western coast of India, and where they use a lot of curry leaves in the cooking. I was always fascinated by curry leaves, and every time she'd cook with the curry leaves, I would say, "No, Nani, I can't eat with the curry leaves. You don't eat leaves." But then she said, "No, but you eat these leaves." And she actually introduced me to the taste of curry leaves, but also she also said that if you eat these curry leaves, it'll make your hair grow. So I thought, okay, let's try it. And then actually I developed the taste. Now this is cabbage thoran, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this. This is an excellent quick stir fry for a midweek meal. It's easy and fuss-free but full of flavors. And it's literally ready in 5 minutes. So after you do the chopping, the cooking takes less than 5 minutes. And you will see, I'm not kidding, it's actually ready in less than 5 minutes. And no compromise on the taste or flavor. So the oil goes in first. And we have to make sure it's nice and hot. So once the oil is hot, I'm going to add some mustard seeds, right? And it's really important that the oil is hot for the mustard seeds to actually work, because it's only the aroma and the flavors are extracted in the oil. On its own, it doesn't have any fragrance and it just has no taste, but it actually comes alive when it is in the hot oil. So we need to make sure that the oil is hot and the seeds are kind of spluttering and dancing. So we just want them to be jumping with joy. And once that happens, we need to put in the other seeds, and then we'll put in the other ingredients. So the flame needs to be on high, the oil needs to be hot. So the mustard seeds are used in South Indian, Sri Lankan cuisine. It's kind of a core ingredient of South Asian, South Indian cuisine. And I think you can see it smoking. Yes, you can see them dancing and bubbling. And next we put in curry leaves, right? So curry leaves is again very specific to, and I love this flutter. Can you see? That's the way it should be. The curry leaves have like a lime taste, but they can also be bitterish. And again, this needs to be added at the start of the process so that the flavors are actually infused in the oil. Curry leaves are a flavor enhancer. So once this is done, and you can see the curry leaves slightly changing color, we are going to add the shredded cabbage. Just quickly stir fry for literally 60 seconds, because this dish has to be crunchy, and that's the beauty of the dish. So the idea is to cook it on high heat, but for corto time, just a minute. And then we are going to add a bit of salt, and that's it. That's all we need. It's a very subtle flavors of mustard seeds and curry leaves. That's all you need for this dish. So literally stir fry it on high flame for maybe maximum 2 minutes. And when you come to the end of 2 minutes, I've got some desiccated coconut. This is dry coconut that you get in all supermarket. And then you just add some coconut on top, mix it, done. Your dish is ready. And what I like to do is just squeeze a bit of lemon juice or lime juice at the end. It's like doing a dressing on top of the salad. So this again gives it a nice flavor, citrusy flavor. So this is almost like a warm stir-fried cabbage salad. I mean, this is the basic core. It's actually called a toran. Toran is a traditional vegetable dish from Kerala, from South India. You can add peanuts, you can add sesame seeds. I mean, you can actually take the basic and make it your own. But the essence of the dish is it's got few ingredients and it is ready in no time, literally 2 to 3 minutes. Here's my cabbage toran. It looks crunchy and it's got a beautiful aroma which is coming from the curry leaves and the mustard seeds and the coconut. It all kind of blended well together. It's making me really hungry. As you can see, this is simple, easy and full of flavors. So I'm going to enjoy this now and I will see you next time.